Abilities, habits, and projects of my family. Hello everyone, my name is Roberto Carlos, and today I am going to share some interesting information about the most important people in my life. My family and other friends, they are very important to me and they all have fascinating abilities, habits, and projects that I would like to highlight. My mother darling the exemplary manager. First I would like to tell about my mother darling. She is a housewife and her main ability is to be the exemplary manager of our home. She is capable of organizing the family budget, handling and household chores, and planning our weekly activities with great precision and without stress. Her main habit is planning. Every Sunday she checks the pantry and plans the meals for entire weeks. This not only saves us time, but also ensures healthy eating. She is always willing to help us with any problem. This year her personal project is redecorating the living room with scratch. She is marking herself such a question and centerpiece because she wants to improve the appearance and comfort of our house. Additionally, in her free time, she really enjoys knitting and she intends to create a various fashion items like and scarves to wear then and develop her creativity with different designs. My sister Sarai, the talented student. Next, I want to tell about my sister Sarai. She is 14 years old and is studying 8th grade. Despite her age, she has a great focus on both her studies and her hobby. Her favorite hobby is drawing and illustration. She is good at character designs and creating artwork using both pencil and watercolor. She has an incredible ability to concentrate or drawing. Her current project is to create an art portfolio with at least 20 original works. Therefore, she is busy practicing new painting techniques and studying drawing anatomy. Her routine as a student is very rigorous. She usually does her homework immediately after coming home from school, and only the does she dedicates time to drawing. Her intention is to continue improving so that when she is older, she can apply to a good university to study graphic design, which is her dream career. My friend Jesus the clarinetist. Finally, I want to introduce my great friend Jesus. He is an extraordinary clarinetist and his main ability is his talent for music. He is capable of playing very complex pieces and is always learning new melodies. His habit is practicing with his clarinet for at least 1 hour every day, which allows him to maintain his level. His current project is to compose his own original piece of music and perform it at our city music festival next year. His intention is to continue growing as a musician and perhaps dedicate himself professionally to teaching or performing. In summary, we have seen the abilities, habits, and projects of the people closest to me, my mother darling, my sister Sarai, and my friend Jesus. They are perfect examples of dedication and talent. Thank you for listening to my presentation.